Paleo Raspberry Blondies are an indulgent refined sugar-free treat, made with peanut butter and stuffed with chia jam. These are quick to whip up and bake in 15 minutes. First, get 100 grams frozen raspberries and heat in a saucepan. When juices come out, add 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Preheat oven to 180 degrees. In a bowl, add peanut butter or any nut butter. Mix in 2 whole eggs, agave nectar, and vanilla. Mix until combined, but do not overmix. Now add the dry ingredients: 2 tablespoons oat flour, half a teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. Mix until just combined. Now I crushed in 3 freeze-dried raspberries into the blondie mixture. Place in a lined 8x8 inch tin, making sure to level out the brownie. Inject the piping bag into the blondie and squeeze in raspberry chia jam. Now bake in the oven for 15 minutes. Allow to cool in tin for 5 minutes before taking out of the tin. Allow to cook completely before cutting into 9 squares. This cake is magic to me. It is just peanut butter, eggs, and a little flour to make the most moist blondie. And look at the raspberry jam pockets. Delicious. My ebook recipe on stuffed cookies will be out soon on my website cookandcrumb.com.